Good morning everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So today again we are back on the streets for a short motor vlog. We are heading towards the nice road. I wanted to show you that in the mornings, if you want to have a little bit of short ride, you can go towards that. It's actually really beautiful. So the time here right now is 8:25. It's a Sunday morning and it's a bit cloudy. It has rained yesterday night and it's a bit cold as well. But it was almost more than 15 days that we shot our last motor vlog. So I wanted to cover actually Nandi Hills or the Adiyogi side. I wanted to get up 4 o'clock in the early morning, but I tried getting up and it was raining, so couldn't go that side. So thought, why not go this side. And I would like to thank you guys for showing your support and love by watching my motor vlogs, that first 2 motor vlogs that I uploaded on my channel. It has not got that many views, but almost more than 300 views. I really appreciate and thank you so much for all of you for showing your support and love and watching my motor vlog. Yeah. It's a bit busy day on Sunday. A bit traffic will be seen on the way. So we are going towards the Meenakshi Mall route. We'll take this right. We also have Navratri going on, and this is the 4th day, I guess, of Navratri. Wishing you all a very happy Navratri and a happy Durga Puja as well. People belonging from West Bengal or Odisha, for them it's Durga Puja. So wish you all guys a very happy Durga Puja and a very happy Navratri as well to you and your family. Please keep showing your support and love by liking, subscribing and sharing the videos if you like on my channel. I'll try to get very often more water vlogs as we head towards November and December, because we'll be planning greater rides in that month, but not sure. It's a bit hectic due to the office work. Not able to find proper time, but yeah, definitely we'll plan some bigger rides so that I can create a playlist for you guys and you can watch the series of motor vlogs that I'll be uploading. And if you find it like it is of good quality or it is helpful for you guys, then you can definitely like, share and subscribe. Also, the rides which I'll be planning, I'll be posting the updates well in advance in my Instagram account, so make sure you do follow me on Instagram as well. Yeah, I don't know, whenever it rains in Bangalore a little bit, the temperature decreases drastically and you start feeling cold as if it has been in the month of November or December. I wanted to wear my riding jacket. I recently wanted to let you know guys that I purchased my riding jacket of XR. So wanted to use that, but thought of, let's say like when we plan a little bit bigger ride outside the city, I'll definitely use that. And I'm planning for a few more cameras for shooting the motor vlog in different angles. Like I was thinking to get the Insta360 X4, but due to budget constraint and budget issues, I couldn't purchase that one in the recently Big Billion Days on Flipkart or the Great Indian Sale on Amazon. It was almost around 50k. So if you guys keep showing your support, love, I would definitely love to plan on that, so that that Insta360 can be mounted somewhere here on the left or the right side, so that I can shoot from that angle as well and try to give you guys a good quality content. So we are heading towards the nice road. We'll take the nice road towards the Kanakpura road. From Kanakpura side we'll get down and we'll be towards the JP Nagar area, and we'll be back to our home this side in BTM. Yeah, so I've always wanted to ask you guys, like the angle at which I'm shooting my motor vlogs, Today I have made some changes in the settings, so please let me know if this angle suits and this angle looks fine in the model vlogs. The previous two model vlogs that I have shot, if you have guys not seen that, please go and watch it. And if you find a little bit differences, a better quality kind of thing or in a better angle, please you can let me know, or you can, any other suggestions you can drop down in the comment section. Any feedbacks or any comments would be greatly appreciated. Monday, because we started early around 8:25, and that's the reason we are able to see not much traffic on the road. Otherwise this road is fully crowded, usually on the weekends. So anybody of you living in this area towards the BTM or the Bannerghatta side and want to purchase some sports gear, you can definitely check this out. I have been here a couple of times and it's great. You get to see a lot of variations, whatever you're looking for in the sports category. On my left hand side you can see a couple of street foods for breakfast, and it's damn crowded, usually on the weekends or the weekdays. It's good actually. People who want to try South Indian food can definitely try this out. Okay, so you can see a board in front of us, and by taking left from this side we'll be taking up the nice road which I mentioned earlier in the starting of the vlog. It's a taxable road, so if you are commuting towards Kanakpura or the Mysuru road, you can definitely use this road, and that's gonna help you save a lot of time instead of traveling through the city all the way from facing all the traffic of the city. So here you take the left, you'll see a lot of transportations going on this road. You can see some water has collected due to the rain that has rained in the night, overnight. This people charge around $35 for two-wheelers. Not sure about the four-wheelers, but yeah, it's good actually if you want to commute towards that side. I guess if you take the Mysuru road, I guess it will be around $35. For Kanakpura road it's $15, which is not that much. It's good at a reasonable price. You get to use this bypass road kind of thing. Yeah, so this is the road I was talking about. It's the nice road. It's a bit foggy day as well. We can see towards that building, it's like a bit of fog has collected around the city because of the rain. It's looking beautiful. It's a beautiful weather. I love to ride in this type of weathers. Also, if it is a bright sunny day, that is way more too beautiful, because the colors are more enhanced and vibrant in the sunny weather. But when it's raining, I don't actually like to ride in the rain because I hate to get wet. It's always nice to ride when it's not raining. Until and unless it's an emergency, we shouldn't ride in the rain. I guess it's a bit risky as well, because the visibility reduces drastically. Also the same applies for the foggy weather as well. Yeah, so you can see no stopping on the highway. It's a non-stopping highway or a bypass, you can see. Yeah, as you can see on the left hand side we have a speedboard as well. Speedboard limit, it's around 80 for four-wheelers, I guess. Same would be applicable for two-wheelers. So you should be less than or equal to the 80 speed, 80 kilometers per hour. It's a beautiful road, trust me. If you have not ridden on this road or drove yourself, even if you have a car or two-wheeler, you should definitely check this out. It's beautiful and it's turned 18 and wanted to be a rider. So please do not come to this road until you are fully experienced, until you get a license to do that. I was almost very passionate for riding. Yeah, so Kanakpura, for this we need to take this left. I was very passionate for riding when I was in my 8th standard or so. I still remember that I used to somehow get my dad's bike keys while he was sleeping in the afternoon, and I used to go and try to learn riding by myself. I still remember that the first time I was trying to practice riding, I almost rode the bike around 1 hour or so in first gear itself, because I was a bit scared and nervous to change the gear itself. And it turned out that 2 liters of fuel ran away since I. So for returning also, I was thinking, why don't we take the same nice road towards the place we got up on this road, I mean the Bannerghatta road side. So make sure that you cross the road by seeing on both sides of the road for your better safety. Yeah, so I was telling about my riding experience, how it all started. So I was in the 8th standard, and as I told you, sometimes I used to manage my dad's bike keys. It was back then, I think, Hero Honda Passion Plus, I guess, a normal Passion. So whenever he used to sleep, I used to get that, and used to try riding all by myself. I was always passionate very much about riding bikes, and last year it was when I got my own personal bike, the biggest Pulsar ever, that's what they say, Pulsar F250. Okay, there is a slight change, guys. I'm really sorry, I couldn't take this nice road. There seems to be a bit confusion. These guys were telling this road heads towards the Tumkur road. Not sure this is the same road which will take me to Bannerghatta. So yeah, so this is an underground tunnel which you can take if you're going towards the Vega City Mall or the JP Nagar 3rd phase for that matter. See, we have a very famous and a renowned cafe, or the Rameshwaram Cafe. It's actually very much crowded in the midnights or in the morning time. During the evening peak time also, it's way too crowded. Maybe something really special they would have been preparing. I have never been here or never tried. We'll see if I get a chance to go and have something. I'll definitely recommend you guys if it's really good and worth visiting that. So we are in the JP Nagar 3rd phase. You take this small flyover, and we see the sunshine has already come now, but not that bright at this point in time. I really love sunny days. It's actually very much beautiful to ride on the sunny days as compared to riding on the cloudy days. If you really want to ride on cloudy days and foggy weather, you should definitely ride it on the mountains. You will get to see so beautiful scenic views. You'll be amazed. Recently I had gone for a trip in the month of August, 2 months back almost, to Kodaikanal, and it was so damn gorgeous. The speciality of that place was like the weather was changing almost every 5 minutes, you can say. Like within 5 minutes it was so bright sunny, in the next 5 minutes it would start drizzling, and in the next 5 minutes it would get so foggy that the visibility almost reduced to zero. So yeah, that's a very beautiful place. So you should definitely visit that place if you haven't done already. And not only Kodaikanal, but any mountains in and around Karnataka, you can definitely visit after the monsoon season or mid of monsoon. I don't know what's the best time to visit those places, but when I visited back in August, it was really damn special. I don't have the motovlog series for that particular trip because that time I didn't had this GoPro mounted on my helmet. I had purchased before the Konaikanal trip on before 15th August, I guess. 15th August is when I started for Kodaikanal trip. But that time the GoPro was mounted on that Volta grip, which comes in the Creator Edition. I didn't have the helmet set up that time. So I captured a couple of photos and videos keeping the GoPro on the Volta grip. I will see if I can add some of those to my channel for you guys to go and watch. Yeah, I missed to show you guys the Vega City Mall, the place where we stopped in the last signal. That was the Vega City Mall. So this was it, guys, a short motor vlog on a Sunday morning showing you guys the nice road. We'll see if we can plan some bigger rides, at least for you guys to show good quality content, which I'm not able to show right now riding in and around the cities. But we'll definitely plan some bigger rides for you to create a good quality content and good motor vlogs so that you can sit back, relax and enjoy. Alright, so this was it, a short motor vlog. Thank you so much if you have watched till now. Please keep showing your support, love by liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel if you haven't done already. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and great weekend again. This is Abhishek Gure signing off. See you once again. Ride safe. Take care. Bye bye.